What's the pink thing? As far as the lint? Yeah. That's lint. Looks like chewed bubble gum, maybe.
You want the rest of this donut?
Stick that in his mouth, man. Mama bird that. Just mama bird it too.
Here you go, my man.
Man, I ain't great, bro.
You good?
Sorry, that's the last
Are
thing
you waiting?
I had. I called Sergeant and answered.
What's the location of your emergency?
Yeah, Broadenhag Marathon gas station.
What's going on?
I got a man here. He's really, he's out of it, honey. He needs help bad.
Okay, what do you mean out of it? Overdosing or what?
Well, he said he's suicidal. And he's going crazy in the store.
Okay, we'll be out.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Hey man, what's going on, buddy? What's going on today?
Oh, man, I lost my girl, and I've been in the hospital lately.
All right, real quick, what's your name?
Jimmy.
All right, Jimmy, do you mind if I pat you down real quick? Make sure you don't have any weapons or anything like that?
No, you can't.
All right. Let's have you face away from me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Put your arms behind your back. You're under arrest. I'm just going to pat you down. Make sure you don't have any weapons on you, okay, buddy?
Animated, man. Take a deep breath.
We're here to help you.
Yeah, everything's going to be all right.
Lean back for me, buddy.
Oh, damn. They're going to go back.
Jimmy didn't know that, but...
All right, Jimmy, talk to me. What's going on today?
My girlfriend left me yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
What happened between you guys?
Nothing.
Here, Jimmy, go ahead and take a seat for me real quick, okay? So you can try to relax a little bit. No, you're okay. No, I know, I understand.
I've been in an hospital for the last couple months. I got a bunch of mental problems.
Yeah.
And now you got my mannequin assessor right in. I was in love with that girl. She was everything.
I understand.
And it broke my heart.
So when you say you're having mental problems, what's going on with that?
I got anxiety, depression, bipolar,
Yeah.
schizophrenia.
Have you been taking your medication for that?
Yeah.
Yeah. How are you feeling today, though? When it comes to your mental illnesses?
I'm suicidal.
You're suicidal? You want to go and get some help? Get you to a hospital?
Grant, please.
You want to go to Grant?
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Let's do that for you. I want to try to get you some help, okay? I'm going to walk you out to my cruiser over
Can
here,
I
okay?
put them pennies in my pocket? They're collectible ones.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can take your pennies, man.
Thank you, Greg. I take my water.
What's that? You gotta keep the water here. They'll get you some water at Grant.
Here's a trash can over by the cruiser.
All right, thank you.
All right, let's go to that trash can over there. Hey, buddy. Hey, Jimmy.
Oh, okay.
Let's go throw it away real quick.
I got the airport, I feel like I can't breathe.
All right, well, let's go get you some help, all right? Thank you for calling for help. Jimmy, we're going to be going over here, buddy. We're going to be going to this car over here. How long have you been feeling like this for? Since yesterday? Since everything happened? All right, buddy. So you go right over here, okay? Hey, Jimmy, I'm going to pat you down one more time real quick before I put you in the back of my car, okay? All right. All right, just put your arms around your back again, okay? You just pull your pants up. You got it? All right.
Oh, God. Oh.
All right, Jimmy, go ahead and take a seat in the car for me, okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you for being cooperative with me, buddy.
Yes, sir. Thank you, guys.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
We're going to get you the help you need, all right?
okay, thank you.
I'm going to pull your seatbelt on, okay? Make sure it stays on.
Yes, sir.
I keep a towel.
It's your problem, sir. Huh? Sir, it's your problem. You guys, am I in trouble?
What's
Just be
up?
honest with me.
We're looking at it right now, Jimmy.
Oh, man.
Looks like,
A
I
5
got a warrant.
out of.
yeah, looks like you got a warrant, bud.
Am I going to jail?
Yeah.
We won't.
At 5. Possession.
Listen, we can do
Out of
we can
Franklin
do a couple
County.
different things here, Jimmy. All right.
All right, Jimmy. Let's make sure things are smooth. All right. You don't want to get any extra charges, nothing like that. Let's just be cool.
Oh, I ain't gonna know me.
All right. As long as you're cool.
Hey, y'all can search me.
All right.
Y'all can set me on that chair and everything.
All right.
bro.
Hang out first. Let me get the seatbelt off you, okay?
Hey, you said the county.
Let me see that Sharpie marker, buddy.
You said the county's closed?
The main jail, that's been closed.
When they gonna take people over to the, what's
Go ahead,
the
step
name?
out for me, Jimmy.
No, whenever they get the parking garage built.
Face the front of the car,
Then
bud.
step out. I'm going to have you turn around and face the other way, okay?
Oh, hey, what you gotta do on cool?
Put your hands around your back. Put your palms together, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Palms together like you're praying. There you go.
Hey, what you gotta do on my collectible coins?
You took them.
Car, man.
Man.
You took them, they're in your pocket.
Hey, did they keep you in jail long for a probation violation?
Yeah, probably not too long, man.
Jimmy, keep your fingers interlaced, okay? Keep your hands together. I don't want to pinch your arms, all right?
I'm trying, bro.
There you go.
Hey, do they prescribe Suboxone in there, bro?
Yeah, we got you. We got your medication, man. All you have to do is relax right now.
No, that's only 2 of them. That's the whole of them, man.
Jimmy, relax. I don't want to tell you with the handcuffs, man.
I'm on Suboxone.
All right, let go of your hands, Jimmy.
I get to make a phone call, bro. Damn.
Yeah. I just put some new ones in my bag, actually. They should be right on top, pretty much.
At least I'm getting this over, but
Yes, sir.
hey, man, I just don't like getting in this situation, man. I don't know why.
Jimmy,
All right, Jimmy, you gotta move your hands real
you're gonna
quick.
get some help, and you also get to take care of this warrant, right? So that you'll be able to start fresh, right?
How long you think
Two
we'll
birds,
be in
one
there?
stone. Not long at all. Not long at all. 2 birds, 1 stone.
Man,
Jason, like I told you
Man, I
before,
just fucked
this is a
my-
tough
I know, man. I know. It's hard. I get
Yep.
it.
Yep.
I know, man. But we got to address this.
194, kill 350A.
All right.
All right, Jimmy, take 1 step back for me, okay? All right. Keep facing the cruiser. That's going to have you take a step back. All right, there you go.
194, what's the last part?
Just hold up. You stand up straight, bud.
I'm trying,
Code
bro.
350A. Kenzel wants you to keep it open.
What's 50A, bro? What's 50A? Suicidal?
No, buddy.
Man, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm coming off alcohol
I got you, man.
and oh, hey, they gonna
Jimmy, what'd you take last night?
Huh?
What'd you take last night?
Start taking meth, Jimmy.
Huh?
You take meth, man.
Man, I just took that.
You're on bullshit, bud.
I didn't want to be alive, so yeah, I took oh, man. Hey, can you help me, please? Hey, what's up? I can do something for y'all. Can you let me out? I know.
Jimmy, relax, man.
Buddy, just
I know
hold
a bunch
still.
of drug dealers, bro.
What?
I know a bunch of drug dealers. No, I'm talking to everybody.
Jimmy, come on, man.
What am I doing, sir?
You're pulling away from me.
I'm sorry, I'm
trying to
not-
help you out, man.
I'm not meaning to, sir.
All right, so hang still for me.
Hey, favor for a favor, bud. Huh?
We don't know.
Oh, I didn't know.
Whatever you want, Jimmy, is illegal, okay? We can't do that.
Right. When did they close the county down?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I mean, they do like their transports. and
That's
everything.
what they used to keep me in there.
Yeah.
I used to be in the county on the 6th floor. All the time, man, single cell.
6th floor?
Yeah, it's mental health.
6th floor to the main jail?
Yeah, not at downtown. Y'all got eight tonight.
Jury
Ah!
or something?
No, that's we know how Kingle sounds.
Jimmy, what kind of tattoo you got above your eye?
Huh? Hilltop?
There's Hilltop, that's it.
I'm KF, bro. Yeah, but I don't want to be.
Are you out of the KF?
Yeah, man.
All right, Jimmy, take one step to your left.
Step over to your left, Jimbo.
I want you to heal, man.
All right.
I do it today. I just want good. Hey,
What's your girl's name, Jimmy?
huh?
What's your girl's name that broke your heart?
My girl's name?
Yeah.
Kristen.
Kristen what?
Huh?
Kristen what?
O'Hara.
O'Hara, she got warrants. I'm trying to make her day as bad as she's making yours.
Oh,
She got warrants, man.
Hey, Kenzel, can you check the green pocket on the left side?
Jimmy, you got a whole still, brother.
Hey, listen,
You got the herky jerky.
I know, listen, I was supposed to get heart surgery, man. I got a hole in my heart. I'm a dying
Reminds me
dead.
of that song. You can just hold in my heart and it's
No, seriously. It's from heroin, man. I'm not joking.
a hole from heroin in your heart?
Yeah, I was supposed to get a triple bypass, man.
All right, man.
Nah, I've been
we're
clean
gonna
out
address all
heroin
that.
for
We gotta do
2.5
one thing at a
years.
time.
Good for you, man.
I've been on some bison, man. Well,
Looks like
I'm special housing, bro.
duty's gonna bother me. No. That sounds like duty.
I can listen to drink, bro. Hey,
Try and keep your feet spread, bro.
oh,
Hey,
yeah,
come on,
I'm so sorry.
Jimmy, how many pairs of pants you got on? Or shorts?
Just one pair. Hey, can I please go downtown to the county?
Yeah, there's no intake there anymore. It's
Oh,
all
really?
down to the pipe.
All right, he's good. He researched it.
Man, this is great. Hey, I'm gonna die in the fight.
You don't want to die in the pipe?
Hey, do you know the Guslers, man?
Who?
Do you know Monty? You know the Guslers? They were KF down in the bottoms. I thought maybe you might have known them.
Monty Gusler, he doesn't live on the bottom anymore. He lives on Sullivan.
Yeah. Is he on Sullivan now?
300 or something like that.
Monty's out, huh?
Oh, yeah, he's been out for maybe a month or so.
Good for Monty. Maybe he's turned his life around.
I hope I do, man.
Yeah, I believe in you, man. You
Hey,
got
them
this.
are collectible.
We'll get them for you.
We'll pick them up, man.
Come on, man.
Jimmy, we're gonna grab them.
Pick them up. We can't pick them up with you out here dancing on the
I'm
side.
not trying to, man.
I know, but we'll
My
pick
leg-
them up as soon as we have a
I've
seat.
been walking for 3 days straight.
All right, Jimmy, we're gonna grab them for you. Take a seat in the car for me, okay?
I'm trying, brother. Ooh. I can't breathe.
All right, scoot all the way in for me, Jimmy.
I'm trying to bust.
There you go.
Man, I'm not trying to cause no problems or nothing.
That's good to hear. Let's keep it that way, okay?
Yeah. Hey, man, y'all gonna take me to the hospital. I ain't did that, bro.
Watch your head, Jimmy.
Collector item pennies.
Yeah, they are.
The weed ears? I don't look like weed ears from here. Yeah, they'll call in and check on your scripts.
Yeah, I get up and
You guys want this up front or in the way back?
In the back of the rest.
Yeah, it's a freaking long ass receipt. Yeah. Nice bottom.
We'll take care of him. Yeah, he's got some warrants, but we'll get him.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, boss. Hey, how can I know my last name? How can I know my last name?
You're looking at a supercomputer right there. See that network of neurons and synapses?
Help me?
Yeah.
Are you sitting there? Panhandle?
What's the pink thing? As far as the lint? Yeah. That's lint. Looks like chewed bubble gum, maybe.
What is
You want the rest of this donut?
Yeah, help.
Stick that in his mouth, man. Mama bird that. Just mama bird it.
Here you go, my man.
Man, I ain't great, bro.
You good?
Sorry, that's the last
Are
thing
you
I
waiting?
had.
I called Sergeant and answered.